swear I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you'll see me holding up my middle finger to.
What's good, YouTube? It's Anthony. Sorry we haven't posted in a while, but we're gonna come back. Today we're doing a prank on Maliyah. I don't know quite what I'm gonna do yet, but her brother and her grandma asked me to go to Walmart for them and put some money on a card. So she's home, or she's at their house sleeping. So we're gonna go to Walmart, see what we can find, see what we can do for a prank, and then I'll show you guys, bring it to Walmart with me and see what we get. Hopefully something good. So guys, I'm in Walmart right now. There's a look for an air horn, but I guess they don't have any in stock right now, so I'm gonna keep. So guys, I found the last air horn. It was like underneath the shelves, but I might get it because I don't really know what else to get, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep looking. So guys, I just got out of Walmart. I just got this air horn for now. You know, you gotta start somewhere, so I'm gonna open this up real quick. I just pulled the parking lot. I just pulled the pin out. I don't know how. I've never used one before, so that's freaking loud. My ears are ringing. Wow, that's kind of cool though. Damn, my ears are hurting. This shit is loud. Well, can't hear, but when I get back, I'm just gonna, I don't know, I might let her sleep for a little bit more so she's not so cranky. But she'll probably be cranky either way. But yeah, she'll be sleeping when I get back, I'm sure. I'm just gonna sit on the bed there and wait a few minutes, make sure she's fully sleeping. And then the fun begins. First prank, like boyfriend girlfriend prank on the channel. So hopefully it turns out good. Next prank will probably be laxative and a lot more to come. We want to post a lot more. We just been like, I don't know, we kind of just gave up on it because we weren't getting views. Subscribers weren't really going up, so we kind of just gave up, to be honest with you guys. But I don't know, it's fun. I kind of want to get back into it. It gives us something to do when we're bored. It's just, I don't know. So I'll catch you when I get back to her house. So guys, I'm back at the house. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got the air horn. She's currently sleeping. And I'm gonna do the prank right now. I'll flip the camera in a second. So guys, sorry that prank didn't turn out as it should. She supposedly didn't hear it, so it didn't work very well.
I didn't.
You didn't hear it at all? So I guess I'll be pranking her again, but I guess she'll be awake this time. Or whatever we do, whatever I prank her with, because I doubt she'll prank me back. Will you? Yeah, probably not. I don't think she'll ever prank me back, but spam Team Anthony down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get all of our notifications when we do post. Share this prank video, and then we'll be posting more. They'll be getting better too. So
Team Maliyah, because obviously, why would you comment Team Anthony? Because he failed.
No, they're gonna comment Team Anthony so I do more pranks because you're not gonna do any pranks. Peace.
Hey, she say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even